See this plant here? This is the famously poisonous poison hemlock. This plant is deadly toxic if accidentally consumed. If you accidentally eat it, its poison will spread throughout your body, paralyzing it as it passes through. Ultimately, when it reaches your heart and lungs, it will stop them and you'll die. But it's super easy to avoid this grisly fate simply by learning how to identify this plant. Firstly, poison hemlock grows all the way across Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, South America and more. Late in winter it grows low to the ground like this and looks almost identical to the edible plant cow's parsley. Now we can't use hemlock's leaves to identify it because it's in the carrot family, and many of these plants in the carrot family, edible or poisonous, all have almost identical leaves, but it's their stem which we can use to tell the difference between all of them. You see, poisonous hemlock's stem is completely round and smooth. It has no hairs, and what makes it unique is it's covered in these tiny purple splotches, like it's been flicked by purple paint with a paintbrush. As the weather warms up, this plant then grows all the way up to a huge size and gets covered in big clusters of white flowers. But its big, thick stem never loses these purple splotches. So if you find a plant out in the wild that has purple splotches on its stem, then avoid this plant and share this knowledge, because you never know, learning about the purple splotches may one day save someone's life. Want to learn more about wild, edible and medicinal plants, trees and mushrooms, and recipes, mythology and folklore? Then check out our awesome series of books called Knowledge to Forage, or check out our YouTube channel called Home is Where Our Heart Is for much more longer, in-depth videos.